Hello, hello. Welcome. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, let's get first off. Let's say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding Glennceria Loving Hands down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well, and welcome to our family. First of all, we are going to talk about continuing our series on the benefits of additives. And today we are going to discuss oils, different types of oils for different types of skin. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share my videos with your friends and family, okay? Give me that thumbs up. Check out my Etsy shop at Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off of hands. Let's get into this video. Okay, here we go. This is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to give you some other oils that you might not know about for your skin type. So let's start with dry skin. If you have dry skin, the best oils for your skin is Safflower Oil, Olive Oil, Sweet Almond Oil, Camellia Oil, and Sunflower Oil. Those oils are excellent for your dry skin and adding oils and nutrition and moisture back into your dry skin. Remember, you need natural oils in your skin. How about if you have sensitive skin? For sensitive skin, I'm looking down at my notes. For sensitive skin, you can use coconut oil, sea buckthorn oil, avocado oil, and chia seed oil. And that is for sensitive skin. If you have oily skin or acne prone skin, evening primrose would be nice. Grapeseed oil, Apricot Oil, Manuka Oil, and tea tree oil. And then we have mature aging skin. See what you look like at 60? Mature aging skin. Okay? That would be me at 60 years old. Argan Oil, Jojoba Oil, or Jojoba Oil, whichever way you prefer to pronounce it. Rosehip Oil, and that's it. Just some quick oils. Just wanted to give you or you just might have combination skin. Okay, that's it for today. I just wanted to give you some of those oils that I found out and some of the knowledge that I researched and the benefits, okay? Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Etsy shop. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Always from Glennceria Loving Hands. Bye-bye for now.